One of my favorite things to do is water libation. But let me break it down for you properly, because this isn't just pouring water. This is connecting back to the original spirituality of our ancestors. Let's go step by step. Step 1. Understand why it matters. Before colonizers came with Bibles and churches, African, indigenous, and ancient people around the world honored the earth, nature, and their ancestors. Water was sacred. Water is life. Water carries memory. Water is the bridge between the physical and the spiritual world. Libation isn't worship, it's acknowledgement. It's you speaking, affirming, honoring your bloodline and your existence. Step 2. Gather your tools. A clean glass or clay container of fresh water, no chemicals if possible. A natural place if you can, outside, by a tree, at sunrise, at your altar. Your intention, gratitude, respect, connection. Step 3. Set your space. Calm yourself. Breathe deeply. Stand grounded on the earth or barefoot if possible. Speak aloud. Your ancestors, your higher self, your spirit team. They listen through vibration, not silence. Step 4. Speak while pouring. Pour the water slowly, directly onto the earth, a plant, or into a bowl. As you pour, speak words like, "To the ancestors whose names I know and whose names I do not know, I honor you. I thank you for my life, my breath, and my being. May your path be blessed, and may you continue to guide me." You can personalize your words. What matters is your truth. Water carries your vibration straight to the unseen realms. Step 5. Critical thinking moment. Why do you think they erased these practices and called them pagan or evil? Because when you speak to your ancestors, you activate power within yourself. You stop being dependent on religious middlemen. You stop waiting for some distant God to answer you. You remember that divinity flows through you. Water libation teaches you. You are not separate from the divine. You are the divine. Step 6. Feel the shift. After your libation, sit quietly, breathe, listen. Feel how your spirit feels lighter, stronger, more connected. That's not fantasy. That's ancient science. That's vibration meeting vibration. Final thought. They gave you fear. They gave you dogma. But your ancestors left you water, breath, earth, and spirit. You don't have to beg. You don't have to kneel. You have to remember. Water libation isn't just a ritual. It's a spiritual awakening.